honeycomb stitch. This is really so easy, just 2 rows for odd number of stitches. Here I chain the stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 stitch. We skip first one and crochet from the second 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 stitch. 2, 2, 2, 2 and 1. We crochet 1, after we crochet 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. This row we do 1 time and don't repeat. 1 and 2 stitch, we crochet together and do yarn over like this. After, crochet again 2 stitch together and do yarn over, 2 stitch together and do yarn over. We have 1 stitch, we crochet like this. After, we crochet these 2 bars, we crochet 1, after crochet 2, crochet 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Row 2, we crochet first one like this. After, we crochet these 2 stitch together, do yarn over, crochet 2 stitch together, do yarn over, crochet 2 stitch together, do yarn over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and last one we do 9 stitch. We crochet 1, after crochet 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So these 2 rows we repeat all the time. Crochet 2 together, yarn over, crochet 2 together, yarn over, crochet, crochet 2 together, yarn over, crochet 1, after crochet 2 like this. See how this honeycombs looks. Hello everyone, this is Knitting and Crochet. So in this tutorial I will show how to knit this honey repeat and fast to crochet for blankets, for bags, for jackets. This is really so good and so beautiful stitch.